Hi everybody, welcome back to 12 Days of Christmas Activities by Artsy, Craftsy, Mom and me. Do you know what our fourth activity is? It's to make a magical gingerbread house. So, let's get started. So today we will need these colored markers, a Sharpie, and a paper towel. First we'll start by folding our paper towel into half. Now we're going to draw the gingerbread house with our Sharpie. Here's our gingerbread house. Let's open it and add colors to our gingerbread house. See, our gingerbread house is colored. Let's get the magic rolling. Here is our bowl of water. Now we're going to take this and place it in the water, and voila! What we colored has now come at the front. I hope you enjoyed making this magical gingerbread house with me. Follow us on our page to watch more videos on Christmas activities. Bye! See you next time!